So, who is this woman? Like, colorful Dracula eyes, glossy lips. Do you know her? I mean, this is definitely not Meherun. She's someone else. Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, this is Meherun, and she is definitely not a Dracula queen, but she is looking like one today. So I have created this look and I have had so much of fun creating this using my Morphe Jacqueline Hill palette. Is it the Jacqueline Hill palette? No. Wait, where is this? So, oh, no, this is the, sorry. So this is the Morphe Dare to Create palette. And this has got a really good shade ranges, guys. This woman, she can never talk. If you happen to like whatever you see and generally my work, please do not hit that. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Damn it! So if you guys generally like my work and things like that, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. It's somewhere down there or here. I'll try to pop up the link in here, and follow me on Instagram. Let's be friends there. A lot of fun stuff. A lot of fun stuff happens there as well. And my monitor is down there, guys. I am just catching a glimpse of my eyes, and I'm like, so I really hope you guys enjoy this look. Until next time, ciao. Hey guys. So I am a little out of breath because only if you guys knew what goes behind the scenes. Anywho, so let's get started with the base first. So starting off, I am using this spray, the Rebound from Urban Decay. So this is a collagen infused complexion prep priming spray. I like to spray this over my face before I start my makeup so that it helps with moisture content on my skin as well. It adds a beautiful luminosity on whatever I put on top of it. Then for my primer, I am going in with this Becca Backlight Priming Filter. If you guys have been following me for a really long time, you guys would know, like, I used to use this all the time. So I like to take about this much. Come on, focus. Rub it in between my fingers and then spread it all over my face evenly. So just around the area, around my T-zone where I have little big pores, I am using my Makeup Forever Step 1 Equalizer. This is a brilliant pore filling primer. So around this time of the year, our skin gets extra dry and dehydrated. So I tend to use products which will give me some luminosity, some moisture, some healthy looking youthful glow. So for daytime, I have been using this brilliant CC cream from Chanel. From Chanel. So this is the just plain CC cream, but it has SPF 50, which is really good. But I generally do not depend on the SPF content in my beauty products. I always layer it underneath my makeup, and this has medium coverage, light to medium coverage, and you can build this up. And whenever I want a little bit more coverage, I will add in my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, just a tiny bit of it, all right? But before that, I will color correct and then I will go in with that pink. So I always like to put a little bit or whatever is left on my hand around the mouth area, because throughout the day, this is the first place where it will be like touching your face, and so this is the area where you lose coverage most throughout the day. So that is where I like to go a little heavier with my coverage. Now for setting underneath my eyes, I'm using this Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Banana Bread. For the rest of my face, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me powder. My shade is number 30, medium deep. So I like to use this powder to set the entire face because it adds like, oops, sorry. Come on. So this adds like a little more coverage to my CC cream. So generally I start with my face first, but today I want to start with my eyes first. So I've already prepped my eyes with the MAC paint pots. I think it's in the shade Yellow. And for the eyeshadow palette, I am going to use this gorgeous beauty. You guys have seen me using this before in here. So I will list all the shade names on the screen. So let's start by a base color just on the crease on a windshield wiper motion. I think that's what it's called. You can see what am I doing, right? So I got this top lid done, and let's try to do the same thing on this eye, shall we? So I'm starting off with this beautiful gorgeous rustic color. Excuse me, I am layering a few shades of this color. So I am just building this color up, and then I will layer a few shades of the same range on top of it so that you get that beautiful gradients of this rustic orangey red shades. So first I am layering this shade at the very outer corner till the middle of my eye, and I'm bringing it slightly in the crease of my eye as well. So I am not blending it in right now. I will blend it in a while. So I'm just depositing the color in here first, and then where's the other brush? I'm using another brush to blend in as I go. So it's all about blendy, blendy, blendy. Now I'm using a really deep shade of brown just at the outer corner to create some depth and dimension. So I am using this gorgeous shade from this palette. I have to show you guys this. This is the shade, and I did not even wet my brush, guys. Just wait till you see the pigment. Like, what? You are gorgeous. So I'm pretty sure if I wet the brush, it will give me a more intense payoff. But I don't need it. I will go over something on top of it, I think. I am obsessed with these eyeshadows, guys. The color payoff, the way it blends, it's amazing. Morphe, hats off. Then you guys blend it in one more time at the crease. Now for my waterline, I'm using this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide on Eye Pencil in the shade Twice Baked. Now it's time for the lower lash line. Okay, so I want to mimic the same eyeshadows that I have done on my top lid, like the gradients of shades. So starting off with that rustic color. I'm taking the very inner corner color which I applied on my top lid, like the same pattern which we used on the top lid, which I'm mimicking on the bottom lash line. So I personally like a really heavy lower lash line. So if you guys do not like as heavy lash line, feel free to do however you like to do it. But I really like it. And for my inner corner highlight, I'm using my Laura Geller Baked Highlighter. Just the very inner corner. And at this stage, if you feel like your eyeshadow and everything has gone a little haywire, so you can use the beauty blender that you used for applying your foundation. Just come back with it and blend in the edges. There is nothing that you cannot fix in, guys. You can. At least in makeup. So I have popped on some lashes. These are the Huda Beauty lashes in the style. What is the style name? Noel, number 14. And I have finished bronzing and highlighting. And there has been one more thing that I have done, which is I have taken this palette from Urban Decay and I have taken this eyeshadow. This is a gorgeous reddish undertone colored moon dust eyeshadows. Of course, this is a moon dust palette. So this is called Element. So I've taken that eyeshadow on my finger and I've just applied it right in the middle on my eyelids. So that has added that little bit glittery kind of vibe. I wanted to show you guys this amazing blush which I have discovered, and my nose is watering right now. Yeah, so this blush, guys, wait till you see it. This is from Zoeva. All right, so if you guys look in the pan, it will look like there is no way this blush is going to show up on our skin tone. But wait till you see this. Like, I was amazed. So this is like that perfect pinky, like, it's not pinky, it's like, how do I describe this? Coral brown toned blush, which is just like, I didn't expect this, guys. This was like, I mean, the first time I used it, I was like, really? You surprised me, like, in a really good way. But yeah, so I wanted to show you guys this, and I am in love with this blush, and the consistency and the pigmentation is like A class, guys. If you guys are looking for a new blush, get your hands on this. Now for lips, I have got obviously a nude lip combo. So I am lining my lips first with this, what is this called, NYX retractable lip liner in the shade Sand Beige. Then on top, I'm going in with this NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Beauty Mark. Today, I think I want a really glossy finish lips, so I'm going with this Clarins Instalight. Instalight Natural Lip Perfector. Yeah, baby. That is what I was looking for. So that is all for this look, you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed spending time with me. And if you happen to recreate this look, do not forget to tag me on Instagram. Until next time.